Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a short video here. I've got one coming up right after this where I ramble on quite a bit inside the RV, but I just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. And if you celebrated Hanukkah, it's over, because it was over a few days ago. But in any case, if you celebrate Kwanzaa or even Festivus, make sure you break out that aluminum pole. And hopefully we'll have a great 2021 and we'll move into that. So enjoy and be safe. Take care, folks. Well, it's Christmas Eve, and as you can see here, it's raining. So here's what it is. The little startup on the RV. Sad thing is that this road has still got a bud on it, but I don't know how long that bud's gonna last. It's unfortunate, but it's been pretty robust. So you go around, and still got my hay bale. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. But we got the long hauler. Started her up. Got her lit, as the kids like to say. And got the generator going as well. And it's still got a little hesitancy in the carb, which I need to figure out. I'm gonna put the lights, at least the running lights on. Although, you know, I gotta say, the vacuum is pretty good. It's almost 18 pounds, almost 19. Got all my fridge bits here. Probably should go back and clean them up before I install them, but you know, such as it is. I'm gonna come back to the, hey everybody, I'm gonna come back to the generator. Started her up, she's running pretty good. Pretty quiet actually, gotta say. I throw the door, you know, the wrap I did, you know, I think helped out a lot with the noise and the vibration. Especially with me putting those little rubber grommets on there. That metal grate helped keep the thing from rattling, which is what you'd hear all the time. So, I mean, this almost sounds like, here, I'll step back. To me, that sounds almost like a newer generator. That does to me anyways, at least that's what I'm going to say. So yeah, I've been doing my startup for, you know, my Christmas Eve startup. It's about 46 degrees. And just every week I go through and I start her up, make sure she's running okay, make sure there's no leaks on the ceiling, no major leaks on the ceiling, because goodness knows there's always something going on in here, but nothing crazy. And like I said, I've been gonna give it a little bit of, gonna step out here and get my little foot in there and a little bit after I let my foot off the gas. Oh, that's a little backfire too. Yeah, well, that's probably also because, as you can see here, I'm nearly out of gas, so I probably shouldn't goose it too much here. I've had it running for about 10 minutes or so. So yeah, just checking the systems out and making sure things are doing okay. I've got my wonderful Dometic stuff here that I gotta, the shelves I gotta put back in the fridge over there, and doing stuff like that. I got an oil change I need to do. I've got it right here, as you can see, along with my percolator filter. There you go. So I'll do that. A lot of little checkup items. Not too bad temperature out right now. I was really surprised for, you know, December 24th. Pretty much all the snow's gone, as you can see there. The snow is gone. It's raining. You don't have to shovel that, right? So yeah, so we're gonna put some, let's see how, I never turned all the lights on inside the RV in the evening before, but let's do that. Just these 12 volters. Let's see what we can get here. I've never really flipped them on all on before, but It's actually not too bad in here. Oh, there's this one here too. There we go. So if you look at it, I mean, look at in the back. Let's go in the back. Set this one up. Yeah. I mean, the lighting wise, it's not, well, okay. It'll turn out a little bit brighter. You get some crud in the skylights, but it's still, you can still see some lights coming through them. You know, for being, I think it's close to 5 o'clock right now, 4:30, 5 o'clock. Still got a decent amount of light. But yeah, this is, you know, for just 12-volt lighting, these are all the LED bulbs I replaced in the, to replace all the incandescent bulbs. But you can see there, I mean, it's not too bad. And I went with the warm yellow ones and not the super white ones. We had those super uber bright white ones in the Tioga, and it just looked fake. I just, you know, I don't know what it was about it. It just didn't seem, I don't know, didn't seem realistic. And at least this, you know, just, you know, if you get any blotches on your skin, it's not as bad as the white stuff. It's like fluorescent lights. So yeah, so you can see here, got all the lights on in the cabin. Pretty bright. It's really bright because the generator's running, so I'm hopefully not draining the battery down. Although it's reading 14.3 on my digital ammeter. Other than that, not too bad. Like I said, it's 48 degrees. Look at that. Christmas Eve. So I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and safe. And hopefully everyone's looking forward to a bigger and better and more wonderful and more, let's just say, more mobile 2021. I am. I'd love to be taking some trips here soon. I've racked up a little bit of vacation time, so it would be really nice to be able to take this rig out on the road and, you know, let her stretch her legs out a little bit. I think that would be even better. Ooh, it's laid out, and it's Christmas Eve. Dark. It's getting darker. And heading up. Do a little barbecue here. Not that you can see it. Hopefully if I flip the camera around, maybe you might be able to see it. I don't know. But there is the flamme inside the grill. And it's raining. Got our little umbrella up here protecting the grill area, and doing what I can here. Although I don't have any lights, so it's going to be interesting how I cook these burgers by osmosis or something. I don't know. And I'm trying to figure out if I can actually get a flashlight working on this. Oh no, flashlight's on. It says flashlight's on. Which is BS. There we go. The flashlight is on because, you know, I put it the other way. But you can see the raindrops coming in here, dripping off of the whole thing. And I got my, oh, the burgers are almost done, dude. They're coming through the top there. I better flip them. And get those going. All right. Whew. The grillage marks are on them. Put them back there, that one back there, this one over here, one up there, that one over there. There we go. Put him over there. So let's see how many people need cheeseburgers, and then we'll. This is the Christmas Eve dinner. Isn't this wonderful? The Christmas Eve dinner out on the grill. Terrific. Okay. Let's make some cheeseburgers. Looks like where the umbrella is holding up pretty well for the most part. Although stuff is still blowing in here. We got to get these cheeseburgers working. Let's see here. Get a little. Oh, that's not working. My anti-dexterous fingers are not doing a great job here. So. Let's figure out the far side here. There we go. A little better. A little better. See, I put them on that one. I'll get another cheeseburger on that one. And you can see the stuff's just blowing in underneath here. A little spray. Another one. And 3, 4, 6, 7, so 7. I don't know, 6 versus 7, maybe. Get this. Really? There we go. I'm doing another one. Hold on. Not a big fan of putting the cheese all over these guys here. Hold on. Do it that way. That way. That way. That way. Alright. Bit of cheese on this one. There we go. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 without, 4 with. I'm gonna let those cook for a little bit, warm them up. I might eat this last 2 slices. No, maybe not. I'm just gonna put it back in the pack. Woo! More later. Excuse me. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's my tape. You don't get my tape. You don't get my tape. You understand? You don't get the tape. Not good for you. Okay? I want you to barf the tape later. There we go. Away. Yep. Yeah, go up in the window. Go ahead. Go up in the window. There you go. There you go. Good job. Stay there. Thanks. Oh, here we go. There you go.
Did you like the kugel? That's the first time you've had it, I think.
I also got a pseudo. Out of McDonald's, sausage and muffin is my favorite thing to make.
Don't fall off the bench. Just saying. Mm-mm. Look at all the herdy kitties.
Yeah, no, you go in your own dish, you. Hold on.
He doesn't know that. Everybody's his dish. Herdy kitties. And now you just made it the most attractive bowl of the whole place.
Yeah.
They're gonna headbutt each other.
I filled up your water. Here. Look at this. Colby's gonna knock
Slow return. Colby, oh, there's Colby. You need to put more in there. Look, I am going over here because I like this new one. Look at this. What are you doing?
They're taking turns.
Apparently. Nope. Gonna move over. Nope, no, he's coming back over here.
Colby's such a good kid.
He is. He's like, I'm lost. But I want to come in there. There he
They're
goes.
taking turns. And he's so good. And we need more water. Water dish side.
There you go.
Did you have a video that showed the prime ribs for dinner?
I believe so, yes.
Could you send a piece of that to me?
I'll have to try to figure out how to send it to you.